So the question is, what happens if my I-290B gets denied? What happens if my appeal motion to reopen or motion to reconsider, what if that gets denied? And so if that gets denied, it might be final with USCIS. And so picture the U.S. government regarding immigration has different governing bodies. And so you have USCIS, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, you have DHS, Department of Homeland Security, you have Department of State, and then you have other groups such as the Bureau of Immigration Affairs or BIA. You know, you have immigration courts. There are a bunch of different agencies, right? And so when your 290B gets denied, you might have an appeal. Depending on the case and the type of denial, you might have an appeal to BIA. Okay, and in that case, typically you need an attorney. You should get an attorney because now you're arguing different parts of the law, or you're arguing that USCIS officer, you know, made a wrongful determination and things like that. So talk to us if that comes up. Thank you for watching.